Log into usBIM with your credentials. Open and navigate the BIM model. Access usBIM.reality from the context menu. Geolocate the model on the map. Change date and time as needed. Change the environmental and atmospheric conditions. Add vegetation to the scene and change density, height and season. View the surrounding building footprints. Interact with your collaborators in real time. View clash detection conditions in real-time rendering. Browse through in immersive virtual reality thanks to the VR viewer. Change the environmental and atmospheric conditions. Take advantage of immersive virtual reality to get measurement readings instantly. View your BIM models directly in the cloud in a completely new and engaging manner.